What's up, you guys? Welcome back to KF Network, and we are going to hop in on another business finds. And I'm getting the word out there for my plumbers out there, my people that owns a plumbing business. Okay, you may be owed money. Okay, you may be owed $50, $100 in many cases, and I have experienced this where plumbers were paid out in the thousands of dollars, okay, that is owed to them. All right, so let's go ahead and hop in, you guys. SB Plumbing is owed $1,177.02. Schroeder. Schroeder Plumbing is owed $1,305.83. All right. Smart Plumbing, they are owed multiple accounts. All right, but they grand total is owed to them is $3,457.87. Strickland Plumbing, $1,888.12. TRG Plumbing is owed $2,362.50. All right. Uplift Plumbing is owed $1,059 plus an additional $1,260.55 and a $65 check. WG Plumbing is owed $1,050, and Wilcox Plumbing is owed $2,500. Okay, so they owe $2,500. All right, so with the grand total is $24,216.78. Okay, and the big fish. Let me go back to the big fish. The big fish traditional plumbing is owed $6,261.72. Oh my God. Oh my God. And these people don't even know that they are owed this money. My team is reaching out. So, do you want to earn money helping people or businesses recover their lost or missing money? Go ahead and book your $97 consultation coaching session today in the first fan comment. All right. See you guys in the next video.